Hey Abhi, it's day 71. Few more days for your birthday. It's been one day since Free's birthday. I don't know why I'm telling this. Anyways, so times are changing. Um, there's a lot of change that's been happening since the past 2 days. Now I understand that life's not so easy, or it's not going to be as happy as I thought, probably. It's a little daunting. My situation is I'm still uh, sagged between the truth and harsh truth of life, and not existing as my own self. Okay, I can't really put it out in words. Maybe you understand, or maybe you understood how um, it works with me right now. So I guess that shouldn't be a problem. So yeah, there are going to be a lot of hurdles that I have to cross, and I'm learning something every time I fail. Just It is a great thing, I feel, because failure can teach you a lot. You see, it's been long since you last failed. No, not really, but now you really failed to be what you want to be. I don't know what am I saying. Why is today so unclear? Okay, so today I have to take a firm decision regarding my future. That is what I want to do with my studies. What are my current capabilities? I have to self introspect, which I shall by today, maybe tomorrow. Wait, why is it so? Why does it seem so different? Anyways, all I have to do is sit down and talk to myself, which I will be doing. Um, Things seem a little odd now. Most of the things that uh, my future holds is completely dependent on what I am doing now, and what I shall be doing in the next upcoming days, the next upcoming months also. Remember, you said you want to prove yourself to um, show that you're capable enough to write JEE mains. Oh well, that that kind of seems weakened now. Um, yeah, sit down and think about it once again. Uh, JEE mains and how much pressure you have to take. Wait, you're having a mental pressure right now. You're having, what can I say, mental disturbance within yourself, which I don't know how to resolve, but let's see. I don't think it's really a disturbance. It's just that you've done a lot of work today. That's exactly why you feel like this, because since morning whenever you've done a little extra effort, your um, back of the head, or just on top of your head, you felt something heavy. Yeah, should be something wrong within the insides. Right now, the only thing that troubles you is that sometimes you do feel that success rate is very low. Success rate is very low, and comparing your skills to what other people are to, you are, yeah, definitely nowhere. But doesn't mean you can't be there. That's exactly what I'm trying to tell you every day. I'm trying to talk to you and tell you is that if you have the skills and abilities, as that says, and a lot of people say, um, that you have to develop will eventually place you in that uh, good future that you might be looking for, you are looking for. So you have to develop your skills, and how do you do that? You put in the effort. Um, you and just don't give up on your studies. Just don't do anything stupid. Okay, you understand how emotions kind of work. You still are not that well off with controlling your emotions, but keep experimenting, keep doing things, and I'm sure you'll reach there wherever you want to. Although you have no idea where you want to reach, but sure you can. Uh, you have to get better. That's all. It. That's all life is about right now. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye.